Hello and welcome to today's daily message. I'm continuing my series of reflections on marriage and family. And today I want to talk about the idea known as the domestic church, the family as domestic church. And I want to begin with a brief quote from a document put out by the Archdiocese of Cincinnati, which goes like this. The term domestic church refers to the family, the smallest body of gathered believers in Christ. The term dates all the way back to the first century of the Christian era. Our early church fathers understood that the home was fertile ground for discipleship, sanctification, and holiness. In reality, we can speak of four levels of church. There is the universal church led by the Bishop of Rome and all bishops in union with him. There is the local diocesan church. Led by the local bishop, it is positioned to guide us on how best to implement our faith in our time and culture. There is the local parish church, from which we receive most of our religious instruction and the sacraments. Finally, there is the fourth layer of church. This is the domestic church. The domestic church plays a key role in our sanctification because it is the primary place where we practice coming to intimately love other persons. So we know that the church is God's people, the people of God united in faith and love. And in its own way, the family is the same. It is the people of God living under one roof who are united in faith and love. And so it is safe to say that the family is the church in miniature. The family is the place where we have our first experience of what it means to be the church. The family is the place where we learn to be church, where we learn to live in community, in faith, and in love. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.